Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will present about industrial interview. We are from Group 4, Class LO1, TO2. My name is Syed Abram.
My name is Najmi bin Azmi.
Okay, my name is Amirul Afiq bin Zamri.
So for the next slide. So for the objective, our objective is to expose ourselves to the realities of electrical troubleshoot and circuit as we learn how to deal with them. Second, to learn how to succeed in the electrical and service industry. Third, to gain more knowledge and experience from the employees themselves about the real life industrial working in the engineering industry. Fourth, to learn from someone with more experience what it takes to succeed as an engineer. Fifth, to learn more about nation future engineering challenge and if it makes more sense to work domestically or as before. So for the next slide, I will pass to Cairo.
Okay. So for the engineering background, okay, his name is Mohamad bin Abdul Razak. So he worked at the company Tenaga Nasional Berhad is TNB Malaysia. Okay, so her position is judgment A1 engineering. So his academic he was studied at the KKTM Kemaman, diploma electrical engineering with judgment A1. So he was 2013 and 2015. So for his second studies, he studied at the University Malaya Pahang. Is Bachelor in Electrical Engineering Technologies. So he was 2016 and 2018. Yeah. For the current project involved, he was straight lighting installing error in Temelloh. So
so here is our question that we asked Mr. Fidos during our interview. Our first question is, how do you start your journey as an engineer? So the answer that we get from him, he initially didn't consider at all entering this electrical field. However, after receiving his SPM result, he got an offer from KKTM Kemaman to continue for judgment skill certification. So after he get into KKTM, he start to realize the opportunity by entering the electrical engineering field. So the most challenge that have you faced with and how do you overcome with it? Okay, so that is our second question. So as to answer, he told us that during his work, he has faced many difficulty in making decisions quickly and consistently. However, he still, apart from the challenge by himself, he also received a challenge from his employer, which is being given work, however, which a short duration of time. So he tells us that for this kind of challenge, we need to make our own time for how we're gonna complete the task given within the due that have been set. Our next question is how and why you joined this company. For this question, he tells us that during his learning, during his study, at internship, he applied to intern at KMB and received the acceptance letter. So after his internship has complete, he tried to ask for the company if he can work as a full timer, and the company said that they're willing to accept him. So for next question, I'm gonna pass back to Syed.
Okay, thank you, Amirul Afiq. So I will continue for the next question. And the question is, can you talk about a project or two in your career that you found particularly interesting or so he answered for the project that he had done is installation of street lighting in and for the he had found by doing the project is the project that is made in the life support. As we know, the life support is very risky and very risky to do it. So the interior risk is significant as any mistake could result in serious consequences and major fatality. So it requires the involvement of individuals with the necessary competence and qualification going to the high level of risk involved. So for the next question is, why can it in closed circuit state? So for the answer is, the decision to keep the electricity supply last during the installation of street lighting as without the power would disrupt the electricity for the house estate, impacting the residents who are also the customer. So balancing the need for the community and extra level of responsibility to ensure a safe and efficient installation process. And for the next question is, what is the Judgment A1 certification? So, judgment certification refers to a qualification of individual responsible for the operation and maintenance of high voltage electrical installation. The designation A1 signifies as a specific level of category within certification framework. And for the next question, I will pass to the Cairo.
Okay, so another question we ask, is there any advice you want to give us to become an engineer in the future? Okay, so his advice is you need to study hard because you must understand about the new work in the real life, and so or what we call the flow of the working. So because experience is more available than what is the learning, because in the working life is experience is more useful. Okay, so for the next question is is it true engineering in the Malaysia are underpaid? What is your view on that? So so his question, his answer is if you want to compare with another country, I can assume that engineer here is are underpaid. The next slide I pass to Afiq.
Okay, so to conclude our presentation, I would like to say that as a conclusion, it can be said that the interview session was successful. All the objectives were accomplished during the interview. The interviewee, Mr. Firdaus, thoughtfully responded to this question, which sparked a fruitful discussion on the guidance, challenge experienced by someone working in the engineering sector. To summarize the interview, experience is an asset in the industry, which means in addition to seeking knowledge in study, we must also seek experience in doing the job. Finally, it is hoped that this interview report can provide sufficient information about the interview section. I think that all from us. So as the last slide, okay. So here is our interview session. We go through by doing meet our group session with him about a week ago. So I think that's all. Thank you.